Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if your Bluetooth is not working on your iPhone. So you're trying to connect any Bluetooth device to your iPhone and it's just not working. Well then, here's a really easy way to fix this. So I have actually 3 methods for you guys to fix this, and we will start with some easier methods and go all the way to some really hard methods which should fix it for you. But the first thing what you want to do is you want to simply swipe down in your control center, and then what you want to do is you want to hold the control center and you will see your Bluetooth right here. What you're going to make sure to do is you need to make sure that Bluetooth says on. Make sure it says on. If it's not Bluetooth, if it's disabled, it means it's not connected and you can't connect any device to it. So make sure it says on, otherwise you can't connect any device. This is probably pretty logical, but still a lot of people forget this. So make sure that Bluetooth right here is on. Make sure just to do that. That's the most important thing. You've probably already tested, so let's go to step number 2. And step number 2 is simply resetting our iPhone. And no, I don't mean force resetting our iPhone, just simply restarting our iPhone basically. What we're going to do is we're going to hold the power button right here and the volume up button. We're going to hold them together till we get this menu. What we're going to do is we're going to click slide to power off, and now it's going to power off our entire iPhone, and this also fixes a lot of issues. So yeah, we're going to basically restart our iPhone, and this should fix the issue for you. Simply restarting your iPhone. Once you did, you want to simply hold the power button again. So we're going to just press the power button again till an Apple logo appears. Shouldn't take more than a few seconds, and now it's rebooting your iPhone, and this fixes a lot of issues for you. Hello guys, this is me in a reflection. So yeah, now once this has happened, you want to simply try again and make sure that your Bluetooth device now works, and this should fix the issue for you. However, I told you guys that I had 3 fixes for you. So what is the last fix for you if your Bluetooth is still not working after restarting your phone? By the way, if you restart your phone, make sure to triple check again that your Bluetooth is connected. Sometimes it randomly turns off. Well, the last thing we're going to do is going into settings, general, and what we're going to do is we're going to click on transfer or reset iPhone, and we're going to click on reset. What this means, and make sure to be cautious with this, is if you click on reset, it will factory reset your iPhone, and it says right here, prepare for a new iPhone. It just means that your iPhone is going to factory reset and all your data will be gone. So in order to fix this, what you can simply do is you can back up your iPhone, of course, by simply clicking right here on your name, and then you can simply click on, let me quickly check for you guys right here, iCloud backup. Make sure that iCloud backup is enabled, and make sure to just back up your entire iPhone if you want to try this method. So yeah, I have an entire tutorial on how you can back up your iPhone the proper way. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and check out that video. But yeah, that's a really easy way to fix all issues with your phone. However, it will take a few hours to completely reinstall everything you've downloaded on your phone. So make sure to be really cautious with this, because it will factory reset your iPhone, but that should fix your Bluetooth issue. And then once your iPhone is factory reset, you immediately want to test if your Bluetooth is working again, and there's a 99% chance that it will be working. Also, 2 other methods you want to try that are really quickly. Simply first of all test if your Bluetooth device you want to connect even works. Does it even has Bluetooth, and is it charged? The second method you simply want to try is make sure that the second method is that if it's still not working after you factory resetted your iPhone, you can also go to an Apple store and they can go even deeper in your phone and of course give you even more methods you could try, or they will give you a brand new phone if you have Apple Care, or it might be time to buy a new iPhone if your Bluetooth is still not working. So yeah, that are currently all the fixes I have for you. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.